Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AmaWaterways experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful AmaDahlia. This is one of the French balcony cabins here on board. It's ample amount of space. You're gonna find that it's quite a bit bigger than you might find on the European waterways. Now I'm gonna take you through the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this wonderful room or any room or suite with AmaWaterways, you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now with AmaWaterways here in Egypt, you'll always start with a land package. So we started our trip at the St. Regis. We got to explore the incredible pyramids. We went for a camel ride. We got to see some of the most amazing artifacts from up to 5,000 years ago at the museum. Now you'll have world-class guides, and of course all of your tours will be included. And here on board the ship, all of your meals will be included as well. Beer and wine at lunch and dinner, and the sip and sail happy hour. Now we've got the full ship tour on our channel for you to check out. Now let's follow along. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a full wall of storage here. I'll open this up. You've got hanging storage across, extra comfy bathrobe and slippers. You'll also find that you have a full laptop size safe, and you've got umbrellas you can utilize throughout your cruise. Now, just through here, you'll find the bathroom. As I step inside, it's a good size. Got the toilet tucked just behind. You've got a nice size vanity here with storage underneath. European plug for a razor, magnifying mirror, and then you also find a nice size shower, adjustable shower head there, and then upgraded bath amenities. Now as we head further into the room, you've got a nice size vanity here. They'll provide the hair dryer. You've got US and European plugs along with USB chargers. You've got a mini fridge underneath. It'll come fully stocked. They'll provide water and sodas throughout the entire trip as you prefer. You've got a little bit more storage over here with the shelves, and then you'll find you've got your flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. Now you've got the large bed here. It's together. You can have it separated into two twins if that's your preference. Just let your HarTravel advisor know, and they'll note the record. You've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large items away. You've got a nice reading chair in the corner, and then you've got nightstands on either side. You'll also find more plugs and USB chargers here. You've got your phone and a little bit more storage. Now this is a French balcony cabin. That means that you don't have a step out balcony, but what I love is you can capture the incredible views as you sail the Nile. Now, as I mentioned, AmaWaterways is an incredible way to explore Egypt. They're world-class guides, of course, including all the tours, and you get to see all the sites that you will love. Now, make sure you check out our full ship tour, and when you're ready to book, reach out to the advisors at HarTravel. We know this product inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with AmaWaterways, and we know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service and the AmaWaterways touches every step of the way.